Hello. Mwiriwe. How are you? Amakuru. Nimeza. I'm good. I hope you're good. I hope you're doing well. And I am back and welcome you back. I'm going to do the pronunciation lessons again. We have started some lessons about Kinyarwanda pronunciation, and I have given you some lessons and some tips about Kinyarwanda vowels and some consonant, how you pronounce some consonant with some vowels. I give you a few examples in the previous lessons, and I am here again. I'm going to give you another rule about the vowels in Kinyarwanda, because we are starting with vowels, then we go to a consonant and combination of consonant. That's why we go step by step. So the last rule about the vowels is like when you write vowels in the beginning of a word, for some reason you drop the vowel, the first vowel of the word, because of the other word that comes before. We're going to see in those cases where you drop the vowels, because most people have asked me, where do you drop the vowels? Where do you pronounce the vowels? Where do you ignore the vowels? So in the previous lessons, we have seen how you can have two words, and when the vowels come together, you read one vowel. So you do the same as you do in French, you do the liaison. So we are going to do it, and I'm going to give you examples of then where you have to drop, even don't write the vowels. So simply let's start with the mu. Mu is a preposition in Kinyarwanda. It comes before a place. Mu. When you have mu, let's say murugo. Urugo. So this word is urugo when you write in full. Urugo is the word that means home. And you say murugo is at home. So when you write murugo, you don't write the U here. This U, you drop it. So it's here, but you drop it. Then you read murugo. So you don't write it, you don't read it. So in this case, the vowel A is not there. In the previous lessons, I've talked about how you can have two vowels and read one. Give you an example. Umezute. Umeze ute. How are you? Umezute. So you have two vowels here. They came close to each other. Then this one is not pronounced. You write it, you don't pronounce it. And you read umezute. Let me just give you how you read it. Umezute. Umezute. That's how it sounds, because you have to combine those two words. But here you write two words, the vowel, it exists in the noun itself, but you drop it when you write it. So you read murugo. I know many people, even the people here in Rwanda, the Rwandans, they write murugo as one word. It's a mistake, because this is a preposition, this is a noun. How can you put a preposition and a noun together? Grammatically, it's not correct. Most people will write the way it sounds in their ears, but that's not correct grammatically. So those are two examples. This one is an example we had last time. I just wanted to bring it back so that you compare these two examples. Here you write two vowels, you read one. Here you write one vowel and you ignore the vowel. You drop the vowel which is original on the noun. Another example is, so we have mu and we have ku. Ku. Ku is the same, is a preposition. Ku means at or on, or the preposition in Kinyarwanda can be the same. At, on, and from, they can be used with mu or ku. Yeah, we will look at the preposition when it's time to learn about the preposition. But in some places we have the mu and ku, which can be at, on, in, but in, on, outside. So the preposition can be different depending on the noun you put here, or they can be also interchangeable. So we will have a lesson about the preposition. what I want you to show today is about the vowels, how you can drop the vowel. So you have kukazi. Kukazi, at work. The word is akazi. But when you write, you don't put the A here. So there's A that is dropped. In writing, you don't even put it there. Means the word we will lose a vowel in the beginning. So then it becomes kukazi. Kukazi, that's how you pronounce it. We have another example when you have nha. Nha is a negation, which means no. But you don't use it as a full sentence. It's just you have to use it with a noun. Like if you want to say no problem, no question, so you can use nha before. So nta kibazo, simply nta kibazo is a very famous common expression or phrase. Nta kibazo, nta kibazo, nta kibazo, nta kibazo. So the word is ikibazo. 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 And nta kibazo, so this I is dropped. You drop it. Nta kibazo. And most people also, you will see that when they spell it as if it's one word. It's not correct. If you spell this word in one word, you know that it's not correct because nha means no. So there are two words. You can't spell them together. Nta kibazo. Another example is undi. Undi means another. Undi. So let's say undi muntu. Undi muntu, another person. And umuntu is a person. Umuntu. So when you say undi, you need to put undi before the words. You drop also the vowel. So you can't write it. Undi muntu. This also, it's another also problem because some people spell it together. Because that's how it sounds. Undi muntu. But two words. Because those two are two different words. Another one is when you use demonstrative. Uyu munsi. Uyu munsi. The word is umunsi. Umunsi, a day. Uyu means this. Munsi is day. This day. But we use this as today. When you say uyu munsi in English equals to today. Today, even if literally means this day. But it is today, that's what we say in Kinyarwanda. Uyu munsi. So also please don't spell it together because those are two different words that we need to separate. It sounds like one word, but it is a mistake to write them together. So let me just give you this for today. You have 5 examples for what I wanted you to notice, that you write 2 words and you drop the vowel, which is already there on when you write the noun separately. So one example is murugo. And please, if you write murugo in one word, know that it's not correct. Murugo is 2 words and murugo. And this was just example from last time. And kukazi. If you write kukazi in one word, know that it's not correct. Another one is nta kibazo. It's 2 words. Undi muntu, another person. Uyu munsi, today. So those are 5 examples of how you drop vowels depending on the noun that comes before that noun. And this was from last time, how you have 2 vowels but you read 1. Please pay attention on these vowels, how you drop, how you read, how you pronounce them, because it's very important for listening and also for spelling and for reading purpose and writing. So I want you to write a proper Kinyarwanda. I want also to be able to understand when people talk, because you might find that the way we talk, we put them together, but the way we write is different. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Next time we are continuing the list because the list can be long. But remember, give you a few so that you can study them. And next time you are ready to learn new things. Murakoze cyane. Umugoroba mwiza. See you. Bye.